Hey guys, I got a real treat for you today, and I want to show you this plant. It's called mullein, and this is a plant that's 1,000 years old. I mean, thousands of years old. And I found it over here in my neighbor's yard, and I just got permission from him to harvest it. And so this is called mullein. It's just the, very soft plant. Sometimes it'll grow up real tall, get yellow flowers. But what you want to do, this is good for coughs, congestion, inflammation, all different kind of stuff. But I'm just going to come in here and harvest. You can harvest the leaves or the flowers, and I'm just going to harvest it like this. I'm going to leave that stuff there because I would like to see this grow again next year. And let's go inside, and I'll show you what I'm going to do to make a tincture. I'm going to put it in a carrier oil, extra virgin olive oil. So over here I got my cutting board all set up. I'll put the mullein on the cutting board. Grab a nice sharp knife. Well, actually, I should wash this stuff off. It's always a good idea. Because it is kind of, it's not too bad right now. It's December, and we already have, we've had rain and stuff like that, but you always want to wash the bugs off and stuff, so get it all washed off. Don't want any of it to go down the drain. All right. But it's real furry like this. And you can do this also with the flowers, but unfortunately the plant didn't have any flowers on it. And now I'm just gonna cut it up real small pieces, like so. You can also dry this out and take it as capsules. Ironically, this is also good for the gout, and so I might make some for my friends. There we go. There's a ton of other uses. You can look them up online. But what you want to do is get to the nutritional goodness of this plant. It's been used for thousands of years, and there's no side effects. Like a lot of drugs, they'll have side effects and stuff. This is also used as an antibiotic, believe it or not, with no side effects. So that's kind of like what you want. So I'm going to try to put this all, squeeze it out maybe a little bit, because it's like a, I don't know, it feels like a cloth, almost. So squeeze out water, not too much, because I don't want to get all the plant goodness. Now I'm going to put it in this jar here, and then maybe, I'll tell you what, I'm going to add a little bit, because I really want that oil to get into it. Add some extra virgin olive oil. Put a little bit more. Put a little more. Extra virgin olive oil. A little more. Extra virgin olive oil. Just get it all in there. Okay. All that goodness. And what I want to do is almost copy like a fermentation process, where I top it off like that. Okay, and I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to let that set for a couple weeks, and then I'll have my cough syrup, my anti-inflammatory, and whatnot. And that's all you have to do. That is the plant mullein for you, and it grows in your backyard. Take advantage of it. Love you guys. Bye.